Good morning. It's about 7 a.m. but we've been up a while. He just ate for like 30 minutes. And we had a couple wake ups last night. So we are so sleepy. And Daddy's already out the door, so he's not here to make us coffee. He normally makes me a coffee every morning and brings it up. I have to make my own coffee. Are you gonna help? Let's put you in an outfit and then let's go downstairs, okay? I just made a coffee. Forrest is in the living room. I already need a mom break after the laundry situation I just dealt with. I made a vanilla pie pod, and then I have the toffee nut flavor from Starbucks for my creamer. We just got all of these in yesterday. I need to put them in this drawer, and they changed a few of the flavors. So like instead of only vanilla and only hazelnut, they have like a longer name. Vanilla custard pie, this one. Hazelnut is hazelino muffin. Good morning. I'm over here. Hey, I'm over here. How was your nap? That was a good one. Hi. Good morning. Let's get a new diaper, eat, and then we get ready for the day, okay? Can we do that? We're gonna have a good day. Hey, is that my coconut? Give me that, baby. Oh, he's my coconut. You know you're my coconut? We ate, we lotioned, we played. You have all your special creams on. You have a new outfit on. A bear cloth. You are ready. So now it's mommy's turn to get ready. I am looking like a hot mess. And then at some point I need to pick up and hear all of this. I've been meaning to wash my makeup brushes since basically the beginning of time. So it is 11:30, it's almost 11:30. Forrest is down for his second nap. I'm really hungry. I haven't gotten dressed yet. I did my hair and my makeup. I just haven't gotten dressed. And I know we have taco meat and like a salad bag, a few more things. So a taco salad, it sounds really, really good right now. I would love a coffee, but since it's only 11:30, I'm going to wait a little while. We did install the new faucet, so I'll show that to you while this is heating up. Oh, and we have corn tortillas. There's stuff all over the place as usual. I need to get a lot of things picked up, but how pretty is this faucet? It was an Amazon find. I linked it on the home tab on my Instagram, and how pretty is like the blue on here, the flowers. Hopefully you can tell. It's so similar. This bottle and that are so similar, and it does have a stream and then like a separate, so it has this. Oh, I gotta push it in. And it has that. And this does come off if you want it to come off. It matches all the hardware up here really well. So things are happening, guys. Slowly but surely, things are coming along. Well, how good does that look? It's a bag of salad. We had fresh cilantro. I ripped that up and put it in there. Some Mexican cheese, avocado, sour cream, and tortilla chips. Hopefully Forrest sleeps long enough so I can eat that in peace. I'm going to do, let me turn it down. I'm going to do a spring decorate with me. I still need a lot more stuff. This is like a start, and I have a really, really cute shirt. I'm going to show that to you as soon as I'm done. I have the snuggliest, sweetest little baby right here. He really needed a long nap, so he slept on me. He's like, who are you talking to? He slept on me for an hour and a half. He ate a little bit, slept a little bit, and his last stretch was a full hour, so that was great. I got him a Maryland sleep suit, a magic sleep suit, whatever it's called. I bought a second one because we only had one, and I felt like that was real risky. And he has been sleeping so much better in these suits. If you have a baby, I will link them. Oh man, that's a nice suit. Are you a baby chick or are you a duck? I think you're a baby chick. How adorable is this outfit? I literally cannot even deal. I love that it has everything in it. The shorts, the shirt, the bow tie, all of it is right there. This is of course from Target. It's the Carter's brand, and this was $19.99. I literally cannot get over that. I want to find him like high socks and white shoes. It'd be so cute. A lot of this stuff is for a spring decorate with me, so I don't want to show you guys that stuff. This is for Chad. I didn't even realize that that kind of matches with Forrest's outfit. This one is for me. I got a small, it was $20 from Target, and I wouldn't call this a crop top, but I wouldn't call it like a regular length top either. I've been wearing so much high-waisted pants. I really like that style and look, so I like having some tops that are a little bit shorter because they stop where the pants start, if you know what I mean, and then the sleeve is really loose and flowy. I mean, for $20, it looks like a Free People top. And everything else is for that video except for these earrings. So these are part of the Sugar Fix line, and it's basically like the less expensive line from Bauble Bar if you're not familiar. I'm obsessed with this line. It seems like every single time I go, I want to get something. And by the way, I'm wearing this very fashionable outfit of an old t-shirt and sweatpants because I wanted to start painting in my office this afternoon. I've been telling you guys I was going to do it every day for like the last week and a half, and something always comes up, or we are exhausted by the end of the day and don't do it. So I want it to be today. I was going to do it like the last few hours, but since Forrest slept on me, of course I couldn't do it. So tonight is the night, okay? You're gonna go to bed easy, right? You're gonna go to bed easy, and I am going to paint. I actually sort of like painting. I don't mind it. It's one of those things where it's so easy, I don't want to pay for it because of course it's like somewhat of a hassle, but I mean, I feel like anybody can paint, you know? I can paint, I don't mind. I'd rather save like a few $100s and do it myself. So, say hi guys, this is my outfit. My daddy got me the outfit. I don't know where it's from. My mommy got me these bibs. I buy a lot of his stuff on the Macy's website. I find his size and then I sort from low to high and I start shopping that way. I get so many things for really good deals. I know these bibs, they come in a pack of 3. And I want to say it was like $7, and it's the Aiden and Anai brand. I got a pack of like fun colors and then a pack of fairly neutrals like white and gray. So that's how we get so many good deals on your clothes, and from Target. I buy a lot of his clothes from Target too. I'm trying to hurry because Forrest is fussy, and I'm in such a hurry I got him a regular spoon. Okay. So, we're about to try some pumpkin. So far, he has had applesauce and avocado. Of course, he liked the applesauce, and the avocado he did not like. It was fun to watch, though. It's good! It's pumpkin! It's good! Oh, yeah? I promise it's good. Don't cry. Oh, it's pumpkin. Pumpkin. Come on, you're not even eating it. What do you think? Are you not a fan? You like it now? Yo. Yum, it's so good. It's pumpkin. You sure you don't like it? I don't know if you can hear that not very happy baby. I knew it was too good to be true. Forrest went down so easy like 45 minutes ago and he just woke up, so Chad's up there right now. We just had dinner. I'm hoping that Chad will pick all of this up. It's a disaster. I probably will have to go up there and feed Forrest, and then I'm going to start painting. I have the Real Housewives on in the background if you can hear that. So I'm looking real cute in this video, guys. Real cute. So it's the next day, it's late afternoon, and it is so hard to finish these videos in the same day. I feel like the entire night I'm just trying to get a baby to sleep, and if he, or like when he finally does sleep, I'm done. I'm exhausted. So anyways, I'm waiting for Chad to come home from work, and then I'm going out. I'm going to Hobby Lobby. I need to get a few more things for the spring decorate with me. I'm going to start filming tomorrow, and I have not been to Hobby Lobby in so long. I hope I find stuff. It is so hard for me to find things. Honestly, I feel like I spend so much time looking for stuff. Like I've looked for hours for a console table. I've looked for these, like, I don't even know what to call them, like a ginger jar, I guess, online, but not in the white and blue colors, in a more modern style, and I haven't found them. So I know Hobby Lobby is like rustic, but I'm hoping I can find a good amount of stuff there for this video. So of course I'm gonna take you guys with me. And Forrest, I'm just waiting for him to wake up. I'll feed him, and then hopefully by then I can go. I just got in the car. It's really dark in the garage. I'm about to pull out, but do you hear that sound? Silence. Let's go. Well, here's the damage for my spring decorate with me. Everything up there I had already, and then all of this is from the last few hours, so I need to do a lot of stuff tonight. I really want to like pick up the house as much as I can before tomorrow so I can focus on decorating and not on picking up. So I need to do everything. Right now though, I'm going to go upstairs and do laundry. It is a disaster.